Hey there, food explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I've got a question for you. Have you ever eaten something that you didn't know could be deadly? Or perhaps you know someone who has? Well, today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving deep into the world of delicious but deadly foods that could kill you. That's right, folks. From your kitchen to international delicacies, we've got a list that'll leave you amazed and maybe a bit scared. But don't worry, we're here to inform and entertain. So, before we start, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's get started. Segment 1: Mushrooms. Let's kick things off with a fungi frenzy. Did you ever eat mushrooms without being 100% sure of their identity? Or maybe you've heard of someone who did. Comment below and let us know. Now, those deadly mushrooms have some pretty sinister names: Deathcap and Destroying Angel. Not something you want on your plate. Author Nicholas Evans and his family had a close call with these deadly shrooms. But that's not all. Stay tuned for more. Segment 2: Cherry Stones. Next up, cherry stones. Who knew that these little pits could be so perilous? Can you imagine that just 1 or 2 crushed stones could be fatal? So, I've got to ask, what's the weirdest thing you've heard about cherry stones? And, do you still want to enjoy cherries after this? Let's have a conversation down below. Segment 3: Cashew seeds. Alright, folks, did you know that cashews are not really nuts? Mind blown, right? And they come with deadly shells. So, tell me, what's your reaction to this cashew revelation? Also, would you still pick cashews from the wild after knowing they can be fatal if not prepared properly? Share your thoughts. Segment 4: Ackee. Moving on to the delicious ackee fruit. Have you ever tried ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish? It's creamy, it's dreamy, but it can also be a nightmare if not ripened properly. Tell me, what's your favorite national dish from around the world? And would you still try ackee after hearing about its dangers? Drop your answers in the comments. Segment 5: Rhubarb. British rhubarb, the secret weapon of crumbles. Have you ever enjoyed this tart treat? But wait, the leaves are deadly. So, here's the question. What's your favorite rhubarb recipe, and how do you make sure you avoid those dangerous leaves? Share your rhubarb tales with us. Segment 6: Kidney beans. Kidney beans, a staple in many dishes, but did you know they can be toxic if not cooked properly? Shakes head. So, tell me, how do you ensure your kidney beans are safe to eat? And, have you ever had a food-related illness? Let's hear your experiences. Segment 7: Sannakji. Next up, we're taking a trip to Korea. Have you ever been adventurous enough to try Sannakji, the squirming raw octopus dish? It's not for the faint of heart, as around 6 people die every year from it. Would you dare to try it, or is this one dish better left untouched? Share your daring food stories below. Segment 8: Potatoes. Potatoes, a kitchen staple. But did you know that green potatoes can be poisonous? So, tell me, have you ever encountered green potatoes, and how do you ensure your spuds are safe to eat? Also, what's your favorite potato dish that you just can't resist, even if it's not the healthiest? Segment 9: Peanuts. Let's talk about peanut allergies. Do you or someone you know have a peanut allergy? It's more common than you might think, and it can be life-threatening. So, what measures do you take to stay safe if you have a peanut allergy? Share your thoughts and stories. Segment 10: Fugu. The deadly delicacy, fugu. Have you ever tried this Japanese dish or seen it on a menu? Chefs train for years to prepare it safely, but amateurs can be at risk. Would you trust a professional to serve you fugu, or is it too risky for your taste buds? Let us know. Segment 11: Hot dogs. Now, let's discuss a classic American favorite, hot dogs. Have you ever worried about choking on a hot dog? It's a real concern, especially for young children. So, how do you make sure your hot dog experience is safe and enjoyable? Share your tips and tricks. Well, there you have it, folks. A list of delicious but potentially deadly foods that might make you think twice before taking that next bite. We want to hear from you. What's your favorite food that you know isn't healthy but you just can't stop eating? Leave your comments, experiences, and thoughts down below. Thanks for joining us today. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening and engaging content. Stay safe and adventurous in your culinary explorations, and until next time, keep your taste buds tingling.